Okay, so we're now going to get rid of this fellow right here, this kid. So hit Z for zoom. We're going to zoom on in until he fills the screen. Just going to pull down this edge right here. Okay, too far. Back up a bit. All right. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go from the spot healing brush tool to the patch tool. Make sure that your patch settings are switched to content aware and your structure is 4. Now 4 goes between 7 and 1 as far as structure goes. And basically what that means is it's going to adhere so to the original pattern. The original pattern kind of thing. So it's going to pick about half. Feel totally free to play around with this. I would encourage it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to outline around this guy as best as I can, not clicking on him, just get as close as I can. And don't forget he's got some shadow there. Around the shadow of his shoe. And doing this. Awesome. And around. Perfect. Okay, great. Now, watch this. I'm going to zoom back a little bit. We grab this and we drag it to the left. And you will see what it is going to copy. Now, there are different parts. I'm going to move up and down right here. I know I'm going to use the cloning the cloning tool on one of the parts of it. I think I'm going to line up the bottom or the top line right there rather than the stone wall. I'll work on the stone wall later. Now let go and it redraws it. I go Command D or Control D and you can see that did a pretty good job of copying and playing around with that. Feel free to go back in the history and play around, see whether or not changing the structure changes the thing that you would like. And so, yeah, Command D was deselect, but you also find it up here, just in case you're wondering. Next, we're going to use the stamp tool.